Hey everyone, welcome to the Technical Fest. I'm Sheikh Wasim and back with a new phone overview video. The recently launched Xiaomi's budget camera-centric phone Redmi Y2. So let's unbox it and get overview of this camera-centric beauty from Xiaomi. Until the intro goes on, click on the bell icon to get the notification first. Also smash the like button. Let's open up the box, the red box for Redmi series from Xiaomi. Let's open it. Here we go with the Redmi Y2. Let's take it out. And see, here in the left we get SIM tray. At the bottom we get USB 2.0 and speakers. On the right we get volume rockers and power button, and in the top it retains 3.5mm jack and the best part, IR blaster from the Xiaomi. On the back you get dual camera setup and fingerprint sensor. Also it seems a design pattern for antenna bands. Let's keep it aside and see what we get in the box. Here we go with the case and paper. And here we see the charger from Xiaomi. It is a normal charger from Xiaomi, not a fast charger. It is 5 ampere, 5 volt, 2 ampere charger. The common charger which Xiaomi gives for all the phones, you can buy it. And here we go with the wire of charger, which is USB 2.0, not USB Type-C. And here we get the SIM ejector too. Let's keep the box aside and bring the phone here. Redmi Y2 contains 16 megapixel front camera with selfie light, 12 plus 5 megapixel secondary camera with telephoto lens with 1.2m larger pixels. Both cameras are AI powered. You get a screen of 15.2 cm, that is 5.99 inches, which is 18.9 aspect ratio. Let's switch it on and tell you more about this. Y2 is powered by Snapdragon 625 processor, Adreno 506 GPU and supports expandable memory up to 256 GB with dedicated micro SD slot. It has 3000 mAh battery and weighs 170 gram and contains all the sensors. Video recording is supported at 1080p and 720 pixels claiming EIS. Let's test some of the camera shots. This is the shot taken in the outdoor lighting conditions. This is another shot in the outdoor lighting conditions. This is the third shot. You can see the dynamic range of the phone, how it is performing in terms of HDR. This is the indoor lighting conditions photo. Right one is portrait mode, which is done by the 5 megapixel telephoto lens. You can see how it's doing its job in terms of portrait mode. I was surprised to see this picture because left one is the normal and the right one is portrait mode. Portrait mode is keeping the color more real than the normal one. Same in this photo, the portrait mode is doing a good job and also keeping the color more real than the 12 megapixel camera. Let's zoom this and see how it is performing in the edges. Edges are also more clear than the normal one. Let's test the video recording from the back camera and front camera. Recording done from Redmi Y2, and this is the stability. You can check the stability. It shows the full HD, that means 1080p. Let's check how it is in 1080p, and you can see the focus as well. Focus on the grass. And the audio is also recorded from here. The environment is a little bit of windy, and you can check how is the camera video recording. That's it, I'm ending this video here. Video is going recording from front camera of Redmi Y2, and I think it is 720 pixels, not 1080p. And let's see, the camera is not wide angle, and let's see how is the focus and all. Let's try from the hand focus, and it looks good. And mic is also used of Redmi Y2. Let's see how is the sound recording from the front camera. I'm ending this video here. So in videos, stabilization is not that what expected. You guys comment which feature you liked most in this Redmi Y2 camera centric phone. Xiaomi is keeping market competitive with this pricing, that is 10k. Better you buy this rather than buying Vivo or Oppo's camera centric phone. This phone is more competitive than those phones.
So that was Redmi Y2, a worth phone to buy at 10k price range. It is priced at 9,999 and the higher variant is priced around 13k. Go for the 10k price range because it has a 2 SIM slots and also a dedicated memory card slot. You can expand your memory as you want in the dedicated memory card slot. You can use both the SIMs and memory card at once. So don't go for the higher variant. If you have a budget price range of 15k, go for the Oppo Realme 1 or Redmi Note 5 Pro rather than buying a Redmi Y2. For any recommendations and suggestions, do comment in the section below. So guys, that's it for today in this video. Hope you have liked it. If not, hit like button, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.